you go? Where is it? Okay. How do you get on ChatGPT?
So
I just really don't understand this. I really don't understand.
All right, the people who thought they were early on ChatGPT, take a look at this.
Go on to OpenAI's site and start playing around with ChatGPT now. Basically learned from about 20 years of data on the internet. It's everything we've ever written on the internet. It is learning to mimic all of that.
It's so scary.
And as a result, it sounds like a genius, but it's really just a parrot. But are we ready to let it then, diagnose you on all kinds of things, or give you psychiatric advice, or give you legal advice? Are we there yet, you guys? I don't know, because we don't have any rules in this country about that stuff, except around some very specific medical things. So it's a wide open world, and these companies have deployed this stuff very, very quickly, and by their own admission, they're basically testing it out on us.
Is it possible that the AI gets smarter than the humans? We're ahead right now? Isn't that the big horror story?
That is the big horror story.
Premise?
It certainly is what everybody talks about, right? Is that Terminator moment, Skynet becomes
self-aware. You can't turn it off.
Right?
Yeah.
I think that our most immediate thing, the way that experts that I'm talking to are worried about, is not so much that it becomes self-aware and enslaves us all, it's that it somehow makes us give up really essential human skills and human qualities. That we're going to stop getting paid to write legal documents and stop getting paid to write term papers and the rest of these things that have been an intrinsic part of being human.
What makes the human spirit human?
That's right. And we do not currently in this country have a system for protecting that stuff against this kind of technology that can impersonate.